To my YouTube channel, and in this video we're going to talk about state in React. So I'll first of all start by creating a boilerplate project. So let's create a new project using npx. Then I'll say create React app, and then we'll call it state. So why have I decided to use npx? So npx is a node package execute library or module that comes with npm when you install it. So it helps you to run the latest version of create React app without necessarily installing that in your computer. And then state is the name of the project that you're going to create using this boilerplate. So right now it's generating the boilerplate for our React app, and it might take a couple of minutes. So I'll fast forward to where the project has fully been generated. It has finally finished downloading. So I'll cd into that project, which is called state, and then I'll open it in VS Code by writing code doc. Cool. So here it is. It has opened up in VS Code. So let me just zoom it in until it fits perfectly on the screen. Okay, so I'll open it in VS Code. So this is the project. So this is the structure of the project and everything. So we have the public folder where all the HTML file will be, where we'll be like rendering our project. And then we have the source project where we will be coding out everything. So this is what the app.js file comes with. So this is where we're going to write our code. So the first thing I'll do is just to open these in open the terminal and then run the project. So I'll say npm start, and then this will now run the project. Cool. So this is our project, and now this is the boilerplate. So if we decide to delete everything that is here and just say have an h1 there, and I was waiting for my autocomplete to come, and then say hello. So if we save this, then you can see that hello is written there. Cool. So what do we want to write? We want to create a project that when we click some buttons, it changes the name of the person who is written here. So we will say hello. Let's say hello Benny. Welcome. And then we will create two buttons here, which say change name, and then the other will say change greeting. So if we save this and check out what the project looks like, so we have hello Benny, welcome, and then we have change name and change greeting. So if we click change name, then it will change from Benny to let's say John, and then if you say change greeting, it will change from welcome to from hello to good morning. So let's do that. So in order to do that, then we need to make this hello and also the name be dynamic, and in order to do that, we will use useState. So I'll have to import React here. So I'll import React from React, and then I'll have also to import useState. So useState is a hook that helps us to manage state in React. So I'll import useState from React, and then now before we return this, we will have to store some values here that we can use and change using the buttons dynamically. So let's say const name and set name, and make this be useState, then give it an initial value, an empty an empty string. So what is happening here? So useState, it returns, useState is a function that returns like an array So the array, the first part of the array comes with like the initial value, and then the second part comes with a function that changes this value. So this is the syntax. So on this other side of useState, it has like this same syntax. So it's more from array structuring, which I can cover in a different video. So it's you understand it most if you know array structuring. So you are assigning initial value. Okay, so useState comes with the two values. The first one is initial value. So this can be anything from like an object, a string, a number, and then the function that changes that value to a new value, or yeah. So this is a function that changes that value to a new value. So that's the syntax. So if we have name will be equal to this initial string at first, and then set name will be the function that will be used to change the name value. So right here, let's say we want to change name from Benny to something else. So maybe we can add code it to be Ian, and then here we can change it to name. So if we save this and check out the project, then you can see that hello Ian, welcome. Nice. So we want this button to, when you click it, then we change this from Ian to, let's say, Ben. So we will add an on change function. So on change is an event listener. It listens to on click. On click is an event listener. It listens to the click event when you click the button, and then when that happens, you want to fire up a function that just does something. So this is a new syntax for an arrow function. So you can write it as we use it instead of like the normal function. So since we want to write an anonymous function here, so what we will do is we will initialize this set name. So we will say set name, then we will set it to Ben. So whenever you click this button, it sets it from Ian to Ben. So let's save and see what happens. So if I check what happens over here, then if I click this, you see it's hello Benny, welcome. Yeah, so it can't change further because Benny is the new name. So we want to do this also to the greeting. So we will just copy this, and then we will name this to greeting, and then also set greeting, and then the initial value will be hi, and then on click. So we can also just copy this because we'll be listening to the click event, and then when that happens, then we want to call upon set greetings to fire to, let me just set greetings. So when we call on this, we will change it from hi to hello, and then in order for this to take effect, we have to now dynamically change this to be greeting, which is the initial value. It's actually greeting. I named it greeting. Yeah, so I have renamed it to greeting. So the initial value will be high, and then when we click this, it will change to hello. So let's save and see. So when we click this, it will be hello Ian, welcome, and then when we click this, it will be hello Benny, welcome. So that's how we manage state in React using the useState hook. So useState hook gives us the ability to set an initial value and a function to change that value. And then when we want to use buttons, then we listen to the on-click event on buttons, and when that happens, use an arrow function to fire in the functions from useState that will change the state of whatever we want. So in this case, we want to change the name, so we call set name, which is the function that changes the name from Ian to the new value, which is Benny. So that's the same thing to also the greetings. And yeah, so that's all I wanted to cover in this video. It's a very short video with the just content on useState, and I'll be covering this more. I'll be covering some more useState, some more React hooks in the coming videos, and also you can comment and let me know what you want me to cover next, and your thoughts and opinion in this new approach. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. I'm really happy to have shared this, and I'm also excited to look and looking forward to see what you guys say on the comment section. Thank you guys. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the like button. Also, you can share this video with someone who you think it might be useful for.